Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex from Answered Tech. Home automation and internet-connected devices such as lights, door locks, and thermostats have received a lot of attention lately, yet it can be very daunting to decide for yourself whether home automation would be beneficial in your own home. This video is designed to help you understand both the basics of home automation and the capabilities of these smart devices. One of the biggest problems with home automation currently is that there are many different companies and smart products competing with each other, yet many of the products aren't compatible with the same systems. In most home automation systems, a central hub is used to control all of the individual devices throughout the house. Usually the hub connects both to the internet and to the smart devices in your house, allowing you to control everything from a phone or tablet, even when you aren't home. Unfortunately, many of these hubs only control a specific product, so it's important to research exactly what you'd like to control, and then pick a system that will work best for your needs. In my case, I selected the Wink Hub because it works with a large variety of products, including lights, garage door openers, locks, and cameras. I'm going to be focusing on the Wink system throughout this video to give you an idea of the capabilities of a home automation setup that can be expanded in many different ways. Let's walk through how to set up and use the Wink Hub. To start, decide which products will be most helpful in your own house. In our home, we have the Dropcam, which is now called the Nest Cam, the Nest Thermostat, and GE Link smart light bulbs. All of these devices are able to be connected and controlled through the Wink app, and the Wink Hub supports a multitude of smart home devices in many categories, so you have a ton of options when deciding what to purchase. Keep in mind that not all devices require the Wink Hub. For example, the Nest Thermostat already connects to the internet by itself, so you can connect it to the Wink app directly without using the Wink Hub. Some devices like the GE Link light bulbs I have do require the hub to operate and connect to the internet. The process to add a device is different for each product, but here's an example of how to add a GE Link light bulb. Assuming your hub is properly set up, keep the light bulb turned off or unplugged. When you set up the bulb, it must be kept in range of the hub, but it can then be moved throughout your house once it's paired. Then press the Connect Now button in the app, and once the app establishes a connection with the Wink Hub, you can turn on the light bulb and it will blink once it's properly connected. While the process varies for each device, it's generally very intuitive to add a device to the hub, and the app walks you through the process. Once you've added all of your devices, you can then explore the home automation features available in the app. Since lights are one of the most common smart devices, I'll show you how they can be used and how they can interact with other devices. To start, you'll be able to turn the lights on and off, as well as change the brightness from the Wink app wherever you have an internet connection. The lights can be placed in groups, so you could organize them by floor of your house or by room, for example. This is very convenient if you commonly want to turn all of the lights on or off in a specific area, rather than controlling each light individually. You also have the ability to create shortcuts within the app to carry out common tasks. These shortcuts work with the products you have connected within the Wink app, so if I commonly turn off all the lights and set the Nest Thermostat to 70 degrees, for example, I could create a shortcut for this. The Wink app is compatible with Android Wear and the Apple Watch, so these shortcuts could be triggered from your smartwatch as well. In the section of the app called Robots, automated tasks can be created to control your devices. This section of the app is where you can truly automate your home, allowing the Wink Hub to control the smart devices in your home automatically without any user input. One example of a useful robot action utilizing a camera and a light would be to turn on the lights if the camera detects motion at a certain time of day. There are an incredible amount of possibilities to have these products interact with each other, so you can customize these automated tasks depending on your preferences and what devices you purchase. The Wink app also lets you create a schedule to control lights and other devices at certain times. You can even turn a light or group of lights on or off at sunrise or sunset. If you already own any connected smart devices like Philips Hue lights or a Nest camera, you can link your account to the Wink app, putting all of your home automation devices in one place and allowing them to interact with each other. Keep in mind that with some of these products, such as the Dropcam or Nest Cam, the native application for that product will provide greater functionality than the Wink app will, so you may want to have both installed at the same time. One of the downsides of current home automation technology is that, as I previously mentioned, different products work with different systems. In the case of Philips Hue lights, for example, you must still purchase the bridge device to connect the lights together, since they can't be controlled directly using the Wink Hub. One of the best reasons to purchase a home automation system that supports many devices rather than just a few specific ones is that as you purchase additional products, you can add to the functionality of the system as a whole rather than having to deal with multiple systems and apps. While home automation technology is still in its early stages, there are still many excellent products on the market. This technology is changing very frequently though, so compatibility may change as the technology progresses. If you guys are interested in this type of content, let me know in the comments and I will continue to make videos on home automation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.